So, good morning, all of you. Manisha, Amit,
Good morning, sir.
Dinesh,
Good morning, sir.
Good
Pra-
morning, sir.
Pranav, Raj Mishra. Thanks for joining. So, before start the session, so let us fix a result. What's we gonna be starts? What exactly the today's session? Let us understand one by one. So let us fix a agenda first. Then we'll go for it. So today, so we are starting with what? VPC. 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 Okay. VPC. Before starts, one second. One second. One second. One second. Let us. Okay. So continue. Okay. So before starting the session, so let us so our course is what exactly? DevOps with AWS plus. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna be start with what? AWS. AWS. In AWS, totally we're dividing into the different models, like compute model, EC2 model, like then networking model like PC, then storage model like S3, IAM, IAM, then RDS means database like RDS, RDS. Totally, we have so we're dividing into the four models. Four models. Four models as we discussed already, please. But so after then we go for with what? So DevOps, it is an exactly AWS administration. It is a AWS administration. It is an exactly AWS administration. In this AWS administration, EC2, S3, IAM, SVPC, RDS. Then DevOps with what exactly? AWS. In this totally we're dividing into the three models. Which are all the models, guys, please? Ansible, Docker and Kubernetes, ATS, Ansible, Docker and Kubernetes, and CI/CD. In CI/CD Git, we are gonna be learning Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, and so on, and so many. Okay. So then monitoring also we're gonna be monitor, like Elk, Grafana, Prometheus will be covered. Okay. So this and under this we are covering Linux basics and shell script also. Linux basics. Shell script is also gonna be covered under the course. Fine. So, but in this, we're gonna be starts with what? These two. We're gonna be start from here. And before that, before move forward, in AWS administration, we're gonna be learning graphically, CLI, and CF. Graphically, we're gonna be learning. Commandly, we're gonna be learning. CLI, we're gonna be learning. And TF, Terraform also we're gonna be learning. AWS, these many ways we are gonna be learning. Okay, so then we are gonna be start with under AWS, VPC and RTS, RDS. So if you want to, yeah, whatever maybe. So this AWS VPC, this VPC, AWS, to complete this, it will take around 4 weeks of time. Totally, how much time is going to be spending for these two? 4 weeks of time. But sir, directly we can able to start AWS VPC model. No, we can't directly start it. Which are all the dependencies we should be? Which are all the dependencies? First, we should be come to know how to create a AWS account and login. That is first thing. The second, how to create AWS EC2 server and login. Then how to use AWS EC2 server. We should be aware of this. We should be doing. Got it. So then what exactly? So we have already completed this. So we have already learned the last sessions we understood. I don't want to repeat again this. How to create AWS account login, how to create AWS EC2 server login, how to use AWS server, we understood very clear. But sir, if you want to understand VPC, VPC is nothing but what? Network, am I right? VPC is equal to network. We should understand the network basics or not, tell me. We should understand network basics or not, tell me. Then only we can able to start. Only we can able to start VPC or not, tell me. All of you. Got it? I'll repeat again. Some of the students are late join. So let them get benefit. So please listen very carefully. So this is an exactly our course name. In this shell scripting basic Linux basics, and in AWS we're gonna be learning these are all the models: GUI, CLI, CF CloudFormation and Terraform. GUI, CLI, CF. Okay, under this EC2, S3, IAM, VPC, RDS. Okay, in DevOps with AWS, Ansible, Docker, and Kubernetes, CI/CD monitoring. So this is an exactly our flow, but in this we started for today under AWS, VPC, and RDS. Totally, it is around how many weeks time to take, guys? Please, 4 weeks of time. So if you want to start this VPC, RDS model. So these are all the dependencies, guys, please. How to create a network AWS account and login. How to create AWS EC2 server and login. How to use AWS server. Yeah, we have experience already previous classes. I don't want to repeat. I don't want to waste your time. But directly we're going to be starts with what? Network basics. So in the network basics, which are all the dependencies, which are all the things which we have to discuss, guys, please. First, we should understand what is a network. Tell me, anybody tell me in the chat box, what is a network? Please. What is the network? Anybody? What is a network, please? Okay. We're going to be discussing about what is network. Then what is static network? We're going to be discussing about static network. Yes, to Pravan. Yeah. Static network. What is dynamic network? What is IP address? What is subnet mask? What is network ID? What is host ID? So what is classful network? What is classless network? So what is a router? What is private IP? Private and public IPs. What are the differences between router and modem? What are the difference between private IP and public IP? We should understand. And what is an NAT? What is subnetting? So guys, please, these are all the fundamentals and basics we should understand before starts VPC on AWS. So this is in exactly our agenda up to 4 weeks. In VPC, which are all the topics? So many. So many. And databases also be gonna MySQL, Oracle databases also be gonna be learned. Fine, anyway. So I'm gonna be starts with what? What is a network? Tell me. What is a network, please, anybody? What is a network right now? What is a network? What is a network? Network means what? If we can able to establish communication more than two devices is nothing but what network or not, tell me. Simply, am I right? So I can able to communicate from a laptop to your laptop is nothing but a network only. If we can able to establish communication more than two devices is nothing but what network? So when it was introduced a network, when it was introduced a network, please. So it was introduced by the US Army in the first. So how exactly they have introduced a static network? First, they introduce what exactly the static network. So how exactly it was look like? Let me explain diagrammatically. For example, they used the different computers and different geographical location like this. Maybe it is a mission 1, mission 2, mission 3 like that. So these missions are located in different geographical location, different places. Right. One second. Almost there. Right. Let us name it. So for example, 1, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these machines are located in different geographical locations these days. So they wanted to establish communication They wanted to establish communication from where to where? From first mission to fifth mission. Between which mission we have? Third. Means if it is a static network, definitely first we need to establish communication 1 to 3. Then 1 to 5 we need to reach. It is always establish communication 1 to 2, 3 to 5. It is a static network. It is always route from 1 to 3, 3 to 4. It is a fixed network. It is a fixed routing. In this case, fortunately, if you got loosed or down or a third mission, or if you got loosed or down this third mission, what will happen? Can able to reach to your destination from source to destination, can able to establish communication if it is a fixed routing? No, it can't. That's what. So the US people this so they realized if you are following a static network, if anything down between the hop or a host or a switch or a server, we can't reach a destination. They realize that's what then immediately they are introduce what exactly dynamic network. How exactly dynamic network works like your Google Map. How your Google Map navigating into the next to nearest path always same way here also. The dynamic network is also pointing with what next nearest path always please. If it is not working, third mission, what is the next nearest path here? Please anybody help me. The next nearest path is what exactly 124, 426, 625. In case if it is, in this case, if it is the fourth mission also if it is gone, then what is the next nearest path automatically dynamic network is located guys please 127, 728, 829, 82. In case if it is lose eighth mission also please, then automatically it is routing with what exactly 7 to 10, 7 to yeah this. So it is always next to nearest path, it is located for that. And that's what I hope you people are understands very clearly. So what is the network we understood very clearly? What is the network we understood very clearly? What is the static network we understood? What is the dynamic network also we understood? Let us experience what is the dynamic network practically. So for example, let's go for the CMD, command line. CMD, command prompt. Please be open command prompt in your laptop. So try to execute the command called trace RT. Trace RT. Any website name, please. Any website name, but let us go for using Google. So means I want to verify from a laptop to Google how exactly the packets are transferring or communicate. Totally how many hops, how many switches, how many routers, how many servers are available between my laptop to Google server. It is always routing with what next to nearest path only. Great. I hope you people are understood totally how many guys please 12. Sometime 8, sometime 13, sometime 16 also. It does not depend because of based on traffic, this routing will be happen dynamically. So what is the next nearest path? It will always look at and it will be go for it. Clear? I hope you people are understand up to this point. So please wait 1 second. Please wait. Great. Great. Great understand. Thank you. So I hope you people are understand up to this point. Is clear. Then, so up to this point, what we have understood, you guys, please tell me. So, what are the network we understood very clearly? Static network, dynamic network, we understood. Sir, what is an IP address? Eh, What is an IP address? Everybody knows what is an IP address. Tell me. Please help me out of it. What is an exactly IP address? Everybody using IPs or not? Are you using mobiles? Are you using laptops or not? Tell me. Are you using every time every device or not? Without devices, we can't be complete your days, am I right? Without laptop, without mobile. For every device has an IP address. Either a mobile have IP address, your laptop has IP address, your tab has IP address, your TV also have an IP address. Without IP address, we can't able to communicate devices. What is an IP address? By using IP address, we can able to establish communication between devices, either maybe laptops or TV or mobile or tablet or a printer also, anything. By using IP, we can able to establish communication between devices. For example, let's say, please be consider my laptop. Is my laptop has an IP address or not? 192.168.1.7 is my laptop IP. By helping of this IP, we can able to establish communication to this laptop within the same network. Within this same network, we can able to establish communication from one laptop to another laptop very easily on a same network because if it is a private IP. Tell me, what is an IP address? Please. What is an IP address? Anybody? Yeah, agreed. IP means what? Internet protocol. Agreed. Yeah. What is an IP address? Okay. For example, let's say you have a mobile. So by using your mobile, I can able to communicate with you or not. Because if your mobile number is unique in the world, that's what I can able to call from anywhere in the world. I can able to talk to you. The same way, each and every device in the network, in the same network, for example, let's say my laptop has a unique IP address, unique number. With the help of this unique number, I can able to communicate with this laptop in the same network. Clear? Understand what is an IP address? What is an IP address? The IP address is a unique number for a device in a network. With the help of this IP address, we can able to establish communication between devices. Is nothing but what exactly the IP address. Clear? So shall we deep diving into the what is the IP address? Shall I take this example? To explanation purpose, deep diving into the what is an IP address. Let us take this real time example of my laptop data. Please be use this and please be copy paste here. Okay, fine, great. So the first thing, what is the default gateway? What is an exactly default gateway? Default gateway is nothing but what your router. When you got a broadband connection, you have a some white color box in your home or not? That box name is a default gateway. So one IP, the default IP 192.168.1.1, the default IPs go to the your router, your switch, your modem, whatever may be have in your home. Understood? The default gateway is nothing but what in your home we have a router or not. That router has taken a default IP. Sir, what is an IP address? This is an exactly our IP address of our laptop. 192.168.1.7 is my laptop IP. It is unique IP. 192.168.1.7 is my laptop IP. Laptop IP. But each and every IP is dividing into the four sections. Four sections. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. And each and every section is a decimal. Which decimal? Octadecimal. So IP is dividing into the four decimals. Each decimal has a octadecimal. Tell me, guys, please. So octa means what? What are the number? Octa means what? What are the number? Anybody? Octa means 8 or not? Tell me. Total network bits is equal to, how exactly I'm calculating as please? So first decimal, 8, second decimal 8, fourth decimal 8. The total how much, guys? Please, anybody help me? Total, please, anybody. Total, anybody help me quickly, please. Please reply. You know very well in mathematics. Please. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, so 24. 24 plus 8. Total how much, guys? Please, 32 bit. 32 bit. 32 bit. 32 bit, please. So let me write now, please. What is an IP address? Anybody help me? What is an IP address? So an IP address is a 32 bit. Please listen very carefully. What is an IP address? A 32 bit octa-decimal unique identification number for a device in a network we calling as an IP address. So what is an IP address? A 32 bit octa-decimal unique identification number for a device in a same network we calling as a IP address. What is an IP address? A 32 bit unique, so a 32 bit octa-decimal. Okay, it is not writing properly. Let it be right down. Okay, write down your own, please. Okay, so a 32 bit, write down, please, in your notebook. A 32 bit octa-decimal unique identification number for a device in a network we calling as a IP address. IP address. So up to this point, any questions, please? What we have discussed, any questions? Any clarification is required? It's very important. I agree. It is a theoretical, sir. Why you teaching? These are all very, very important. Without understanding this, we can't shift to the AWS, sir. See, each and every sentence, each and every word is very important to move forward into the VPC in AWS. Okay, it's clear. Okay. Sir, we understood default gateway, we understood IP address. Sir, what is the subnet mask? By using subnet mask, we can able to come to know. Please. So network ID we can able to come to know. And host ID we can able to come to know. And how many IPs we can able to use. How many IPs we can able to use. IPs we can use we can able to come to know. So these three values which we can able to get it by seeing, by one look itself we can able to come to know network ID, host ID, how many IPs which we can able to choose. But in this subnet mask, totally how many gaps, please? 4 decimals. And each and every decimal, min number is 0. Min number is 0. But we can't less than 0, like 1, plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 100. We can't like that. It is a min number is 0. But max number is what? The max number is equal to 255. More than 255, like 256, we can't do that. 66, we can't do that. Max number is 0 to 250. Between 0 to 255 only we can. That means 0 to 255. Total values how many guys, please? 256 IPs. Clear? Okay, please. By seeing this 250, 250 means what? Can able to make it 256 here? 257? No, we can't. It is already reached max number. We can't able to do it. We can't able to do it. It is already reached max number. But what about second decimal? It is already reached max number. The third decimal, it is already reached max number. We can do it. Sir, 0 means what, sir? If we seeing 0, then it means we can able to replace with 1, 2, 3, 100, 200, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255. Can able to make it like this or not? Obviously, am I right? That means we can able to choose 0 to 255. We can make it is, we can able to use, not make it is, we can able to use 0 to 255 IPs in network. So one of the IP in between, one of the IP I can take it by my laptop. 7, 0 to 7, seventh is taken by my laptop. Maybe 8 might be my another laptop. Maybe another. Clear? Understood. So we can able to use 0 to 255. So 0, that's it. Clear understanding? Is it understanding all of you? Clear. All of you is clear up to this point. Sir, by using this, how we can able to come to the network ID? Sir, he is occupied the network or not, which he can't able to do anything on. That means equally, what is an IP address? It is also equivalently 192.168.1 is our network ID. But 7 is the host ID. Sir, what is an IP address? What is an IP address? So please, what is an IP address? What is an IP address? Please, anybody help me? The unique identification number for a device in a network we calling as an IP address or no? We thought the entire IP address unique. We thought entire IP address unique, but it is not entire IP address is not unique. So if you go for any laptop, any device in my network, it's same. 192.168.1 is same for all my laptops, all my devices in my network, but only unique is what 7 is unique, which is taken by 7 in my laptop. The same number it can't be assigned to any other laptop, any other device. Okay, but if you go for any device, 192.168.1 is unique, is same for all the devices in my network, but 7 is unique. But actually, network ID is same for all the devices, but unique is only for host ID for my laptop. If it is taken by 7, no one take the 7 IP, 7 host ID to any other laptop, any other devices. Got it? Understood? Network ID same for all the devices. Network ID same for all the devices, but only difference is what? Host ID differ from one laptop to another laptop. In 0 to 255. So the 7 is taken by laptop. 8th might be another laptop. 9th another laptop. 10th another laptop. This way. But maximum we can able to get 256 IPs. 0 to 255 max number we can able to get 256 IPs. Clear? By seeing this, we can able to come to know one more value, network occupied bits also. Network occupied bits. Network occupied bits also we can able to get. Which is taken by network. Network occupied bits means what? Occupied by the network, which you can't use it by. So 250 occupied network or not, that means 8. 250 occupied network or not, 8. 250 occupied network, 8. But it is 0 is means what? 0 only. It is not occupied network, it is an empty, which we can able to use it. Total how much, please? Anybody? 8 plus 8? 16. 16 plus 8? 24. Totally 24 bits per occupied by network. So total network bits 32, network occupied bits 24. So can we have more than 256 laptops in case how we'll do? That's what we're gonna be. We're gonna be learning today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow towards that. But we should understand the basics, what we have. Then we can how to play the game, we'll go for it. That's what basics. That's what basics. We should understand this point. Then we go for it. If it is more than 500, if it is 1000, what we need to do? We'll definitely send that. Chakradhar, yeah, Chakradhar, sorry. Definitely Chakradhar, will be. But should understand this basics, existing things. Definitely, definitely. But we should understand first this. Okay. The question is here pending, sir. Okay, we are understand this calculation very well, but the question is, sir, how many IPs we can able to use in this network? How many IPs, total IPs, or how many guys? 256. But can able to use all the IPs? No, we can't. But how many guys, please? Is there any formula? Yes, we have the formula. What are the formula, guys, please? What are the formula, guys, please? So 2 power total network bits minus network occupied bits minus 2 is equal to IPs. This is the form. Please, can you substitute the values? Can you substitute the values? So total network occupied bits, how many? Network occupied bits minus 2. It is equal to what? Please, anybody calculate? Let me know the amount, the number. First, so 32 minus 24, how much? 8. So 2 power 8 minus 2. Total IPs, how many we can able to use in this network? Yes, Chakradhar. Not 256. Max, we can able to connect 256 IPs in your network, in your home. Max. Sir, what is it to? One IP is taken by gateway. Another IP, when you get a internet connection to your home or not, that's itself the broadcast, it will one IP. These two IPs which we can't able to use it. Rest everything we can able to use it. Means if you are conducting a get together in your home, who visited your friends or family, they're asking your Wi-Fi connection. Maximum. So how many devices, how many mobiles, how many mobiles and TVs, laptop altogether, maximum, how many devices we can able to connect it to your router? 254 IPs only max. But more than this, we can't in your home. It is fixed. We can't change also. Sorry, we can't change. No, we can't. Sorry, we can't do that. As of right now. It is fixed in your home. In your home, I'm talking about it. Got it? Any questions? Any questions? Is clear up to this what we have discussed, or any confusion, any doubts, please? Shall we move forward? Okay. So up to this point, what we have discussed, it is a classful network. Up to this point, what we have discussed, it is a classful network. Classful network is a fixed network. We can't change. We can't change. We can't change and customize. We can't change the network. It is a fixed. It use octa-decimal format. We can use either 0 or 8, but not both. Product. It has class C, class B, class A networks only. But up to this point, what we have discussed, class C. Class C, where fall under end user. Who are all getting, who are all using internet? You and me, if we get a broadband connection, we're all people fall under class C. If you're consuming internet in your home, you're fall under class C. But what about class B, class C? That is the class for them. Tomorrow the class. And what are the classless? Okay, we complete up to this point. Tomorrow, after completion of classful network, then we go for classless also. What are the classless? Check that we can customize in classless. We'll discuss by tomorrow that. Okay. So that is what exactly for today class. Okay. Please wait. Don't leave the meeting. Please wait. Don't leave the meeting. So today's session, I will upload it here. So whatever we have discussed, I'll name it. So this document, this class notes, this class notes, and today recording session, I will uploading into this drive. I sent in each and every student an email. I hope each and every student have an access. And tomorrow onwards, please be open the student file, student information file. Whatever the link is displayed, please be joined from here. The link might be changed. Whatever the link, please be joined from here. Okay. So today's session, the recording, the class notes, everything will uploaded. And if you get an access, if you, I think already sent to each and every student. So please be open tomorrow onwards before the class, whatever the link, and join from here. If it is not, if it is not accessing this drive access, they will discuss that tomorrow. Okay, please. Okay. So if it is not accessing this drive access, please be call this number and get the drive access. 9297 You can WhatsApp or call. You should be get it. Okay. You should be get this drive access. Then only you can able to join from tomorrow. Whatever the link is displaying in this student information. That's it, guys, please. Any questions for today's session? Manisha, Amit, Chakradhar, Dev, Moni, PC, POCO, F1, I don't know your name. Pranav, Raj, Reddy, Sureka, please. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow? Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, sir, I have one thing.
Please,
Hello.
who's talking, please?
Yeah,
Once.
so what levels of certification we able to do this after completion of the course?
AWS Solution Architect, you can able to do. Professional Solution Architect, we have, that we can able to do it after this course, Chandra. Check it.
Okay.
Somebody is typing questions, please. Check it. Your own. Okay, fine, good. They will discuss tomorrow about the question. Thank you. Thanks, birds. We'll continue by tomorrow. Yeah, same time. So whatever the link is displaying here, please be joined from here.